Hi everyone and welcome back to CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 20, we'll introduce the hatch area function in CADReader. This function makes it incredibly easy to calculate the area of hatch patterns automatically. By simply selecting a hatch, you can instantly get both its area and perimeter, saving you time and improving accuracy. Let's work through how it works. First, click on measurement, then select hatch area. Next, left-click to select the area you want to measure. Once selected, right-click to confirm. Just like that, CADReader will display the area and perimeter of selected hatch pattern. You can repeat the same steps to quickly measure other hatch areas with just one click. After placing the measurement, you can right-click to modify common properties. This includes options like color, scale, text height, giving you full control over how the data appears on your drawing. You can also refine how the area is displayed through the annotation settings, then click Save to apply your changes. To speed things up even more, you can assign a shortcut key to this function. Simply right-click, go to Shortcut Settings, and enter your preferred key in the hatch area field. For example, I've set it to H. Click Save, and now pressing H on your keyboard will instantly activate the hatch area function. After completing your measurements, you can use Tabulate function to summarize and analyze your data. This is especially useful for larger projects. And when you're ready, you can export the results directly into an Excel for further use. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.